Presenting Fundamentals of Environmental Control and Life Support System, ECLSS Training.
This is proudly powered by Tonex Training.
This course is designed for professionals in aerospace engineering, mechanical engineering, or related fields. It is also suitable for professionals working in the space industry who seek to expand their knowledge of ECLSS systems.
Fundamentals of Environmental Control and Life Support System, ECLSS, course provides a comprehensive study of the design, operation, and management of life support systems in space missions. It covers the critical systems and technologies necessary to maintain a habitable environment and sustain human life during long-duration space missions, including life support, air revitalization, water management, and waste management.
Tonex space engineering professionals will train you to demonstrate an understanding of ECLSS-related regulations, standards, and ethical considerations. Learn the fundamental principles and challenges of maintaining a habitable environment in space. Analyze and design ECLSS systems for different space missions and habitats. Evaluate the performance and efficiency of various subsystems within an ECLSS. Apply systems engineering approaches to integrate ECLSS components into spacecraft. Finally, assess the impact of ECLSS on crew health, safety, and mission success.
Are you interested in a career in space exploration? The Environmental Control and Life Support Systems, ECLSS, training by Tonex, can help you get there. This comprehensive training program will teach you everything you need to know about the design, operation, and maintenance of ECLSS systems. Request more information. Sign up as a group. Please visit Tonex website www.tonex.com. Also visit is4.org. Get CSSSP certified.